Let's go on the record, please. This is cause number 2021, CR 7662, the state of Texas versus Sarah Redgate. Attorneys, please make your announcements for the record.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. On behalf of the state of Texas, Joshua Luke Sandoval.
Stephen Redgate on behalf of the defendant, Sarah Redgate, Your Honor.
Okay, and Ms. Redgate is appearing by video conference. Go ahead and tell me your full name, ma'am.
Sarah Rebecca Redgate.
On the screen, I have the true bill of indictment that was filed in this case. It alleges the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. State, how are we going to proceed?
Your Honor, on this case, we're proceeding as charged.
That is a second-degree felony. Ms. Redgate, a second-degree felony is punishable by confinement in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, the Institutional Division, for any period between 2 and 20 years confinement. It also carries a fine of up to $10,000. Do you understand the range of punishment that applies?
Yes.
You have the right to a jury trial. You have the right to cross-examine the witnesses against you. And you have the right to remain silent. Those are your constitutional rights. You understand those?
Yes.
When you sign the court admonishments and defendant's waivers, what you're telling me is that you're going to give up those rights. Is that what you intend to do?
Yes.
Is this your electronic signature here at the bottom above the word Sarah Redgate?
Yes.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
If you were not a citizen, I'm still required to tell you that a plea of guilty or no contest to this charge could result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Ms. Redgate, are you satisfied with the representation of your attorney?
Yes.
Mr. Redgate, does your client have a rational and factual understanding of the proceedings against her?
In my opinion, she does, Your Honor.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in your opinion, is she mentally competent to waive her rights and enter into a plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
I will accept the waiver of right and make it part of the record. Ms. Redgate, I want to go over this agreement with you.
Okay.
This is a recommendation for deferred adjudication for a period of 7 years, $1,000 fine. It also calls for an affirmative finding, but since this is deferred, I'm not making that finding on the deadly weapon. The state's going to dismiss a misdemeanor assault family violence case, and there's no agreement as to the finding of affirmative finding of family violence. We're going to do a TAP evaluation, 50 hours of community service, no harmful or injurious contact with Jennifer Schuster, no weapons, take medication as prescribed, substance abuse treatment if necessary, drug and alcohol screening, screening for anger management, mental health evaluation. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes.
Mr. Redgate, is that your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Sandoval, is that your understanding?
Yes, Judge.
What is your plea, Ms. Redgate, to the charge of the aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? Is it guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Are you entering a plea of no contest because you have talked about this matter with your attorney and you believe it's in your best interest to do so?
Yes.
Sarah's not guilty.
Are you
She's not guilty. Sarah is not guilty.
All right, I'm going to stop this proceeding.